expensive. You would not catch us doing that over and over, because the cost out of the ballpark. So as you heard him say, about 20,000 men to build Pyramid Giza over 30 years. That is the rough estimate. Alexa, how many men did it take to build Pyramid Giza?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the Greek historian Herodotus was told that it took 100,000 men 20 years to build the Great Pyramid at Giza. Scholars today, however, think it may have been built by only 20,000 men over 20 years.
Okay, there we have it. That is the latest, the most updated theory we have for Pyramid Giza. 20,000 men between 20 and 30 years. We know that one, don't we? Because it's at 593 tons every day over 30 years. Over 20 years, you're looking at 700 and something tons per day. So, if that is the case, then him flying the chopper said 4 carriers worth of people. So there's 5,500 per carrier. 4 carriers, that's 22,000. Give or take a couple of thousand. But 20,000, that's 4 carriers worth of people, right? Now Giza, the Nimitz weighs, not Nimitz, the Giza weighs the equivalent of 65. So those are all Nimitzes, if you know what I'm saying. So what you have there is 5,500 times 56. And over there on the right hand side, going from up to down, you'll see we've got a +9. And that means there's 9 carriers that we couldn't fit on the board. And in those 9 carriers that are missing, we would have 49,500 people. In all of those 56 aircraft carriers, 7 times 8 is 56, we have a total of 308,000 people, right? If we had the 9 carriers that are missing on that board as well, we have a total of 357,500 men, okay, and women, all right, and women. So it took just 20,000, right? Those 4, the top 2, right? 22,000 men to move, to quarry 65 of those aircraft carriers, right? Now, let's look at this another way. What if each crew, each 5,500 men and women, they moved their own carrier? So they've got 30 years. They've got 30 years, they've got ropes and sleds. We're not even going to go to the quarry to ask how they got them out. All you need to do, folks, is 5,500 of you, 100,000 tons of carrier. You can chop it into as many pieces as you want, drag it through 800 or 900 kilometers of desert.